In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize video in CapCut. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform, having the right video aspect ratio is crucial to making your content stand out. CapCut is a powerful and user-friendly video editing tool that makes resizing your videos quick and simple. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust your video to fit the ideal frame for your platform, ensuring your content looks polished and professional. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, load your video into CapCut. Once your video is open in the editor, take a look at the upper right corner of the workspace. This is where you'll find the Properties panel, which contains many of the tools you'll be working with. Above the preview window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled either Ratio or Original. Go ahead and click on this menu. This is the control that allows you to adjust the aspect ratio of your project. The aspect ratio is essentially the shape of your video frame, and it determines how your video will display on different platforms. From the drop-down menu, select the aspect ratio that best suits your needs. CapCut provides a list of common options, such as 16:9, which is great for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok, or 1:1 for Instagram posts. Choosing the right aspect ratio is important because each platform has its own preferred dimensions, and using the correct one ensures your video looks its best wherever it's shared. After selecting your aspect ratio, take a moment to look at the preview window. This will show you how your footage appears within the new frame. If you notice that parts of your video are outside the boundaries, or if the image looks squished, don't worry. This is an easy fix. In the Properties panel, locate the Video section, and then click on Basic here. You'll find options to adjust how your video fits into the new frame. You'll see two primary options, Fit and Fill. If you choose Fit, the video will shrink to ensure the entire footage fits inside the new canvas. This is a great choice if you want to avoid cropping any part of your video, but keep in mind that it may leave black bars or empty space around the edges of the frame. On the other hand, selecting Fill will expand the video to cover the entire frame. This eliminates the black bars, but it may crop the edges of your video. Depending on your content, you can toggle between Fit and Fill to see which option works best for your project. If you decide to use Fill and parts of your video are cropped out, you can adjust the video positioning to focus on the most important elements. Simply click and drag the video in the preview window to reposition it. This is especially helpful for ensuring that key details like faces or text are centered and properly framed. Feel free to experiment with different aspect ratios and settings until you achieve the look you want for your video. Keep in mind that you can always revert to the original settings or try out other options without worrying about losing your work. CapCut is designed to make these adjustments easy and flexible. Once you're happy with the changes, you're ready to finalize your adjustments and move on to exporting your video. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.